I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing access denial on Gmail, follow these steps to get back into your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can lead to access issues. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Go to your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies. This can resolve conflicts caused by outdated data. Step 3. Disable browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with Gmail's functionality. Temporarily disable them to see if access is restored. Step 4. Check account security. Before starting recovery, use the Acer.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Caution: if you see a message about suspicious activity, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Step 5. Try a different browser. If the issue persists, switch to another browser or use incognito mode. This can help determine if the problem is browser specific. Hopefully, these steps help you regain access to your Gmail account. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance.